The resin flooring industry has sat there dormant for so many years now, but it's about to go through a major revolutionary change. It will impact the industry from now and moving forward forever. There will be winners and there'll be losers when it comes to these changes. The winners are the ones that embrace the change, that get ready for the change early, that adapt, progress, improve their systems, improve their ways of doing things, and embrace the change. The losers are the ones that sit there and don't change. Think that nothing is going to be any different, that they'll still be able to win it on the cheapest price, win a project on the cheapest price, or undercut or shortcut, or whatever it may be. The choice is really yours at the end of the day. Now, if you're in the resin flooring industry, this is the most exciting time to be in the industry. This massive change is your opportunity to grow with it, to evolve with it, and to really take advantage of the change that's taking place into a profession, into a professional resin flooring industry. Now, the sorts of changes I'm talking about, the first fundamental change is that there will be a qualification in place for resin flooring. Now, this in itself is an underpinning key point, but it's only the first step. You get the qualification, then what? Well, there's a number of steps that you have to take to professionalize, to be ready to step into what is mainstream flooring, providing genuine alternatives to timber, vinyl, carpet, tiles, and so forth. Now, the qualification, as I mentioned, was the first step. The types of changes you're going to see are, and I talk about the old way and the new way. So the old way is poor specifications, or it starts with poor specifications or loose specifications. And typically you receive a specification that you feel you need to change because it isn't accurate. So that's a starting point. Poor product selection, poor training on the product. Even preparation isn't detailed. It's not the right preparation for the flooring system or the actual application and so forth. No warranties, no support for the product. Applicators are really left to develop the system themselves by trial and error. And those errors cost money every time. There's nothing there that flows from the manufacturers through to the end of the project. So that's the old way. The new way is where systems are in line with the qualification, where systems come with full details from the manufacturer, full processes of how it should be done, how it should be recorded, so you get a factory-backed warranty. Now the emphasis is on us as an industry to improve our way, not just a contractor being left on his own. So that's the new way. It'll be better processes, better documentation, better systems, and when we get that reassurance, when we get that confidence from consumers, we naturally start to take into consideration, or we're taking into consideration for the mainstream flooring sector. And that is why we're doing this change. It's not just to create more work, it's to exponentially grow resin flooring into what it really should be, what it is in segments around the world, but we need to do that here and do it on a consistent level. Here at Resin Real World Epoxies, we want to work with those professionals that want to change, that want to be qualified, that want to improve their processes and so forth. We're here to help. We're here to help you grow it. We just happened to have started the process 3.5 years ago. We were the catalyst of change to get the qualification underway. We probably have the biggest advantage in showing you the roadmap that you need to take in order to be ready. So if that sounds like you, if you are excited about the changes that are coming up, let's talk. Get in contact with us and let's get this industry rolling.